As a parent, we all want our babies to have thick and healthy looking hair. Some baby might have full hair growth while some may have scanty hair when they are born. In this video, let's see some tips to get your baby healthy and beautiful looking hair. However, these tips are better for babies that are 6 months or older. If your baby is younger, then this is probably not the right time for you to start using these tips and methods. Regular oiling and massage. When talking about hair care, oiling and massage is always what comes first on the list. Regular oiling with coconut oil can strengthen the scalp of the kids and also help in strengthen the hair roots. Don't just do oiling, massage is the key, which increases the blood circulation and provides a good blood flow to the follicles of the hair. It not only improves the blood circulation but also nourishes and moisturizes the scalp to keep it non-itchy and flake-free. This method can be used for newborn babies as they often tend to have dry skin after birth. Choose the right baby care products. Remember that baby skin is very delicate and sensitive, and some products may have harsh chemicals which may irritate your baby's soft skin. Always have the habit to read the labels and double check the ingredients of the products you buy. Wash regularly. It is best to wash your child's hair twice a week to reduce the accumulation of dirt and keep the scalp healthy and clean. Always use lukewarm water which is not too hot or not too cold to keep your child facing any discomfort. Balanced diet. A healthy baby has a healthy hair. Make sure your baby drinks plenty of mother's milk or formula till 6 months and a balanced meal after that. Include lot of fruits, veggies, nuts, grains, egg, spinach, which keeps your baby meal healthy and balanced. Iron. Iron is another most important nutrient that helps to improve the hair growth as it avoids breakage of the hair strands, which leads to thicker and longer hair. Include meals that are rich in iron in your child's meal like green leafy vegetables, beans, pumpkins, dates and more. Shea Butter. You can massage your baby head to toe with rich, unrefined and additive-free shea butter. The smooth texture and the creaminess of the shea butter makes your baby hair supple, smooth and moisturized. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is good for hair growth. It is too early to use vitamin E for babies, while you can use it for toddlers, combining with coconut oil. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.